loves, so in this video we are going to be doing a little bit of unboxing, installing, as well as styling this hair from Luvme hair. Now in this box, obviously you guys can already see we have this lush hair, perfect for summer. We also have this wig bag that has a drawstring, right? There's also another bag in here, like it's full of surprises. Now in this bag we have a brush for styling our hair, and we also have this hairband as well for laying down the frontal or your wig, and we have a portable mini mirror, which is great for carrying along and for styling at the same time. It also comes with a wig cap as well as an instruction manual that talks about how to care for your wig and how to style it at the same time. So yeah, just going straight right into this video. This is the hair we are going to be working with. It is beautiful. This hair is a 5x5 deep wave undetectable invincible lace glueless closure lace wig, guys. I know it is a mouthful, but it is real HD, and this is what you get. Now we do have some combs at the back to kind of secure the wig whenever you want to install it. We have this to tighten it as well, and it also comes with an elastic band as well that you can detach and attach when you want to install, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go straight into fixing this on because I don't want to waste time. I want to go straight into like installing and styling and kind of showing you guys what I'm working with. But before we do that, guys, let's talk about this lace, guys. This is real HD lace, and as you guys can see, you can even barely see the lace because this melts into my skin. Guys, this is a glueless wig. It is an undetectable lace, and it is also invincible. They also went ahead to bleach the knots as well, but I'm not going to be doing anything too intense, too serious. I just want to pluck out a little bit of the closure so that way it blends when I install it. Now, as you guys can already see, they went ahead to do a bit of plucking. As you guys can see, the closure is pretty much scarce in front, and you can just put this on and go with it without doing any and plucking or styling or whatsoever. So it is actually beginner friendly, but I just wanted to kind of tweeze this out. I didn't spend more than 5 minutes doing this. I just wanted to take out some parts and kind of reduce the density of the closure. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I didn't bleach the knots. This is just straight out of the bag, and this is how we are going to be working with this. All right now, guys, so this is what we have. Like I said, I didn't do much of like tweezing and plucking. I just wanted it to be a little bit more real, basically. So yeah, this is what we have now. I'm just going to go ahead and just fix this on my head, and I'm not going to be using any wig cap because I want you guys to just see the true nature of this lace and this wig at the same time. So I'm going to pop this on my head, make sure it's as secure as possible behind, and make sure that it fits. And guys, let's get into this installing, and yeah, let's switch over to this. Hey guys, so now that I have this on here, I just wanted to show you guys what the lace looks like on my skin without even putting any foundation, without even trying to make it blend with my skin. This is what it's looking like, and as you guys can see, like you can't even see the lace, right? Yeah, so like I said, this is a 5x5 deep wave and undetectable invisible lace glueless closure wig. It's a mouthful, but in summary, it is an undetectable lace. It is invisible lace. It is real HD lace, and this is what it is giving without even me doing anything against my skin. As you guys can see, it is blending seamlessly. I mean, what lace though? And because of this, I don't think I'm going to use any powder. I just want to see the true color. I want to see the true match of this lace without using or trying to blend or trying too hard. I'm going to slick this hair down, trim it down, style it properly, but I wanted us to kind of see the lace that we're working with, right? So now that we have that out of the way, let me apply this wig perfectly. Now I love closures because they are easy to work with. If you are a beginner, it is so easy to get started with this, and it's just easy to get out the door with it. Like I said, this is a glueless wig. I don't have any glue on it, but like it's sitting firmly on my head, I don't need to even use a glue or a spray or a gel, and it's just going to work perfectly with, you know, whatever I'm working with. Let me just get my got2b glue. This is going to be a very quick and easy install. Like I said, it's very beginner friendly. Let me just spray this on. Okay, so now that I have that a little bit saturated, I'm going to get my brush and just comb this back and press it as well so that the lace melts on my skin, but also push back the hair so that it doesn't get in the way of the melt. Right? So I'm gonna grab my band to just press this down so that it sleeks down and it melts perfectly well. Tie this behind. So what I want to do is to brush out the curls so that we can see the true nature of this wig. So in here is my mix. I have a little bit of my control cream, which is amazing for curls, right? And I mix this with water. So I'm going to just apply this on the wig before I curl it out, just so you can see the true curl pattern. I am getting a bit of shedding. So again, I'm kind of running my fingers through it, and this is what it is still looking like. I'm just going to scrunch this up a little bit. Oh, I actually love this wet look. This is what it is looking like. Oh, love it. Okay. So while this is drying down, I'm going to slick and further style this area so that it looks like it is my real hair. The areas that I want to a little bit so that I can slick. I'm just going to take off this band so that I can style the front of my hair as well. Ooh. Oh yes. This is giving. This is giving. Looks good, feels good, and then we wait for the hair to dry while we cut this off and style the hair. Okay, so I'm going to slick this down. Give out like hot steam. Ooh. Okay. Let me push this down even further. Because we want a slick look. Now, at this point, I'm actually contemplating whether I want to do like a center part or a side part. Okay, see this cast that's showing off? We don't like it, but we're gonna get rid of it. I don't know if I want to do some baby hair just on the two sides. Okay, now, so I'm gonna go ahead to just take this out so that we can see what we are working with. So let me put this away, unclip this, and guys, let's see what this lace is looking like. I need to bring you guys a little bit closer because you're not seeing what I am seeing. So just so you can see what I'm talking about when it comes to this lace, I'm moving a little bit closer to you so that you can get the 411. You can get the gist of this. I don't know if you guys can see this. Obviously you can, but look at this, right? Are you seeing that? Are you seeing the melt? With like minimum effort, maximum results. So yeah, and the hair is weightless. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it, so it feels like air, but it also looks glamorous. It looks beautiful. I feel like this is going to be amazing for summer, as you guys can see. But this is what we are looking like. Let me turn back a little bit so that you can also see as well. Okay, loves, so this right here is the finished look, and because this is a 5x5 closure, you can easily get away with any style that you want. You can do like a half up, half down sort of thing going on. You can easily part this in a side part. Okay guys, so again, this wig is from Luvme Hair, and again, this is a 5x5 deep wave undetectable invisible lace. It's a glueless closure wig, guys. I know it is a mouthful, but yeah, that's the name of this wig. And again, I think this is in 20 inches, but it doesn't look like 20 inches, and I guess that's like one of the downsides of like getting curly hairs. This is it. It's giving me volume, it's giving me weightless, it's giving me like summer, it's giving me like, I don't know, but like this lace, I'm still in awe. This is what we are getting, and this is what we are giving with this Luvme Hair. Again, all the links, all the details will be down in the description box. Be sure to check them out if you are interested. If you are new here, where are you going to? Feel free to join the family, subscribe, join us, let's have fun, let's create beauty related content, as well as share tips with regards to like beauty, hair, fashion, you know, tips, tutorials, business, as well as YouTube growth and strategies. But yeah, this I love, this is giving, and yeah, definitely all the links will be in the description box. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed.